guys, so do not mind my crazy look. My face may be a little dry because I just came out the shower and I pretty much applied majority of the products throughout my hair, so I'm not sitting down here doing it for long. I'm just gonna go in with my rose water. That DIY is basically just roses that I got on Valentine's Day. They're fresh from the market, and I just washed them in water, and then I boiled it with some fresh peppermint leaves, and that's pretty much it. So here we go. This is the star of the show, the Hibiscus Marshmallow leave-in, and I applied all over down from my roots all the way down to my hair. My hair is getting longer, so you may not see all of it, which is a good thing, which is a really good thing. Make sure I get my edges, get everything. And as you can see already, like the frizz is not even there, which is good. When you apply your products and your hair does not frizz up, your cuticles lay, everything lays down, that's how you know that product is for your hair. Also too, do not mind the red color, because of course the hibiscus flowers turns it to a nice, really cute red. Once it's dried, you won't see it. This is my second time doing it, so you will not see it. Oh, I didn't even tell you what I'm using in my hair. Besides the hibiscus marshmallow root leave-in, I am using my Jamaican black castor oil pure butter and my Kinky curly and my Kinky curling custard. So again, I spray my rose water and then apply the hibiscus marshmallow root leave-in. Try not to make a mess. Rub that all the way down my hair. Look at that. I love it. Oh, it's dripping on me. And apply my castor oil. And then Kinky curly my hair gel. So if you don't want to use Kinky curly, use your favorite hair gel or use a favorite butter. You can use a mousse, whatever you like to do, please do it. As long as it's going to benefit your hair, go ahead and do so. So these clips, a lot of people ask me where I get these clips from, and I got them a long time ago, probably about the start of my natural hair journey, probably like in 2014, from my beauty supply store in Toronto. And I just smooth my hair down and I clip the section. After I clip all these up, ta-da, and we are finito. And I made a mess. So first things first, this is my satin bandana. I got this from the beauty supply store. So this gets tied down, and I try not to tie it too tight on my hairline because we need our hair. And I know someone's gonna ask me, because I keep this in all day and I don't take it out until tomorrow. So yes, I do sleep with these in my head. It's not uncomfortable because growing up black, you know how it was when you first did your hair. If you had rollers in your head, you know, you sleep like this. So it's not uncomfortable. And then I go in with my favorite, my silk hair tie. Every time I do a wash and go, or if I do a style that I really want to be set and just perfect and no frizz, nothing, I put on my silk hair scarf. So this just stays on just for an hour. The bandana will stay on the whole time until tomorrow, but the silk scarf will stay on just for about an hour or so until the crown part is pretty much dry, because I don't want it to frizz up. And then I put it back on again later on tonight before I go to my bed. And then tomorrow I'll wake up, remove the clips. If my hair is still a little damp, I will blow dry it. All right, so good morning. Today's the next day. I slept good, and we're about to see. Ta-da. This is the back. Hair is still a little damp. Y'all can see, I don't want to keep touching it because then I'm going to create frizz. But ta-da! That is the wash and go. And that is it. I can't keep touching it. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye guys.